Good day guys, Drone PH here. So this is my first build in 2024, the 3-inch sub 250. So I decreased the weight with my Volador before, and I just changed the frame and the motor. So while waiting for the DJI update, I just want to share with you how I build my 3-inch sub 250. Okay, the same component guys with my 3.5 inch before, the SpeeDB F4 Mini and the BTX. Receiver is the EP2 from Happy Model, so you can see inside. I rebuild my quad because the sub 250 is very important to me, especially here in Europe. So let's jump to the rebuild, okay? So this is the frame that I use guys with my sub 250, the Volador Flyfish, the 3-inch. So we will rebuild and the same component. So this is my build before the 3.5 inch, but the weight is about 277 grams with a 850 battery for S also. So it's heavy guys. That's why I decided to decrease the weight and build the sub 250. So that less hassle, especially if over 250 grams about the EU regulation. So I'm using the Sing motor, the 1404. Good for 4S, the 3800 kb. So the weight of the motor guys is about, I think, 9 grams only. Not like before the fly fish. About 14 grams. So super heavy guys. So you cannot build the under 250 grams with this motor. So better if you build the sub 250, choose the lower weight motor. Okay. So this is my component before guys in my 3.5. I just put here to rebuild. So the same component. Maybe I just swap with the EP2 receiver because this is the EP1. And this is also this PDB, the TX800 from SpeeDB, and the Cherry Lollipop antenna. I'm using the Runcam Phoenix 2 SE, the version 2, because it's look alike the DJI O3. That's why I'll try to install this. I like the design with this Runcam, but it's nice. It's light only. For the future, maybe we will swap also to DJI O3. So let's start the build, guys. Let's do it. Just solder the 4 wires guys in the receiver, the RX to TX, then TX to RX, then ground and bolts, okay? Same also in the BTX, the 4 wires, okay? TX to RX, then RX to TX, 5 volts, then ground. For the camera, the red wires is 5 volts, the black wires is for the ground, and the yellow wire is for the cam. Okay, so it's done guys about our build. So this is our build now. So RAS antenna, the 1404 motors, 3800 kb. Good for 650, okay, with the sub 250. So let's go and check the weight guys of our quad. We will check the weight. Okay, so this is it. 170 grams guys without battery, and with battery 4S 650 milliamperes. Okay, so around 248 to 249 grams guys. For the 850 milliamperes, weight around 272 grams. So it's over guys. So I must use the 650 with this build. So we are under 250 grams, and you have the run cam guys. You can put it and weight around 269 grams. So that's only guys the build for 2024. The Volador 3-inch sub 250 quad. Okay, so we will fly maybe other day because it's winter in Croatia, and it's hard to fly guys. It's cold outside. All set, and it's ready to fly. So let's try to on here inside, okay? So I'm using the Radio Master packet. Maybe next video I will connect also in my Mobile 8. Okay, so it's work guys. One more. Okay, so it's all good guys. Maybe till next time again, we will rip outside, okay? So if you like this video, keep a thumbs up and comment your quad if you want, and check the description below of this build, okay? So thank you and goodbye. Happy flying!